We are here to talk about what is meditation and why meditation, what is the purpose of meditation. As far as I read on meditation by Swami Paramhansa Yoganand, he says that there are two things. One is concentration and other is meditation. And the basic difference between the two is concentration is putting your attention on anything, any one thing or several things one by one, like your health or something else, like any matter, money or success or any other thing. That is called concentration. And putting your awareness, your attention on God all the time or as much as you can is meditation. This is the basic difference between the two. Now coming to why meditation. So the main thing is that in this life we are always filled with challenges of different kinds, of all varieties. There are problems which you may not be able to overcome with normal procedures, normal steps. So there is a way through which you can utilize your inner power, your own energy and your own consciousness to achieve whatever you want. And the main thing about meditation is it is to attain God, or meditation is becoming one with the cosmos, the universe, and that thing or that power which made this universe or the cosmos, and getting answers for every complexity that exists in this world. So we have meditation. It is the most simplified and the most complex thing in this world to understand everything and to achieve any and everything. It is becoming infinite, it is becoming perfect, just like God or like the Son of God. This is meditation.